Managing blood sugar levels is a daily priority for individuals with diabetes. Post-meal sugar spikes can be particularly challenging, impacting overall health and long-term well-being. Fortunately, nature offers some simple, delicious allies in this effort. Incorporating certain teas into your routine can be a gentle yet effective way to support stable glucose levels. These beverages offer more than just comfort. They provide compounds that may help mitigate those unwelcome sugar surges. After you eat, your body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. For diabetics, this influx of glucose can lead to a rapid and significant rise in blood sugar. Consistent high blood sugar levels can contribute to various health complications over time. Therefore, finding ways to smooth out these post-meal fluctuations is crucial. While tea is not a substitute for medication or dietary management, it can be a valuable complementary tool. Green tea is celebrated worldwide for its health benefits, particularly its rich antioxidant content. It contains epigallocatechin galate, or EGCG, which has been studied for its potential to improve insulin sensitivity. Regular consumption may help your body utilize glucose more efficiently. Drinking a cup of green tea after a meal could contribute to a more gradual rise in blood sugar. It's a simple addition that offers significant potential advantages for glucose management. Often enjoyed for its calming properties, chamomile tea also holds promise for blood sugar regulation. Research suggests that chamomile may help reduce oxidative stress, a factor often elevated in diabetes. It could also play a role in lowering fasting blood sugar levels. Sipping chamomile after a meal might not only soothe your mind, but also offer a gentle assist in preventing sharp glucose increases. It's a pleasant way to end your meal. Ginger is a powerful root known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Studies indicate that ginger may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. It can also aid in carbohydrate metabolism. A warm cup of ginger tea after eating can support your digestive system and potentially help manage post-meal glucose. It offers a spicy, invigorating flavor that many find appealing. Cinnamon is a spice frequently highlighted for its potential to mimic insulin and improve glucose uptake by cells. It can also slow down the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract. This leads to a more controlled release of glucose into the bloodstream. Enjoying cinnamon tea after a meal is a delicious way to potentially harness these benefits. It's a flavorful addition that can make a difference in the blood sugar response. While primarily known for aiding digestion and relieving discomfort, peppermint tea may also offer subtle benefits for blood sugar. Its anti-inflammatory properties can contribute to overall metabolic health. A healthy digestive system is key to stable glucose. Drinking peppermint tea after a meal can help soothe your stomach and potentially support a smoother glucose response. It provides a refreshing and invigorating experience. Hibiscus tea, with its vibrant color and tart flavor, is often associated with blood pressure regulation. Emerging research also suggests it may have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. It contains compounds that can help reduce insulin resistance. Incorporating hibiscus tea into your post-meal routine might offer a refreshing way to support your metabolic health. It's a flavorful option that provides more than just hydration. Turmeric, containing the active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its potential to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose production in the liver. It can also protect pancreatic cells. A warm cup of turmeric tea after a meal could be a beneficial addition to your diabetes management plan. Its earthy flavor is unique and offers significant health advantages. Fenugreek seeds are well known in traditional medicine for their anti-diabetic properties. They contain soluble fiber and compounds that can slow down carbohydrate absorption and improve insulin function. This directly impacts post-meal glucose levels. Brewing fenugreek tea after eating can be a powerful way to help prevent sugar spikes. It's a robust tea that offers direct support for blood sugar control. Rooibos tea, a naturally caffeine-free beverage from South Africa, is rich in antioxidants. One particular antioxidant, spalathine, has been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels and improve glucose uptake by muscle cells. It also supports insulin secretion. Enjoying rooibos tea after your meals can be a gentle yet effective strategy for managing your blood sugar. It offers a naturally sweet and earthy flavor profile. While these teas offer promising benefits, it is crucial to remember they are complementary tools, not replacements for prescribed medication or a balanced diet. Always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diabetes management plan. Some teas may interact with medications. Listen to your body and monitor your blood sugar levels to see how these teas affect you personally. Consistency is key when incorporating any new dietary habit for health benefits. Incorporating these 9 teas into your daily routine can be a simple, enjoyable way to support your blood sugar management goals. From green tea to rooibos, each offers unique compounds that may help prevent sugar spikes after meals.